Always remember when life feels heavy, God is still near. Some days life feels heavier than you expected. Not loud, not dramatic, just heavy. Heavy in your chest, heavy in your thoughts, heavy in the way you smile, even when you're tired. There are seasons when prayer feels quiet, when answers don't come quickly, when you're doing your best and it still feels like you're barely holding it together. And in those moments, it's easy to wonder, God, are you still here? But here is the truth. The Bible says in Psalm 34 verse 18, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and save those who are crushed in spirit. God is not only near when life is light, He's closest in the weight. When your tears fall in silence, He sees. When you whisper prayer you can't even finish, He hears. When you feel too tired to keep going, He carries. The heaviness you feel is not proof that God left. It's often proof that He is strengthening something inside you that you don't even see yet. You may not feel Him the way you want to. You may not see the outcome you're hoping for. But even now, in the uncertainty, in the waiting, in the quiet aching or itching, He is near. Closer than your fears, closer than your doubt, closer than your circumstances. So, if today feels heavy, you don't have to pretend you're strong. Just breathe. And remember, you're not walking through this alone. When life feels heavy, God is still near. And if you needed this today, please save it or share it with someone who does. Thank you.